Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you will be fine and well. So before we starting our video, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So today our topic is top US drop shipping suppliers for e-commerce. You are drop shipping on Amazon, eBay or your own store. Finding reliable suppliers is an essential part of building a robust business that lasts. But if you are looking closer to home, there are some great US drop shipping suppliers out there. You simply want to support local wholesalers and cut shipping times, or you are worried about how will impact drop shipping from China. Here are many of the best suppliers. Number one is Sunrise Wholesale. Sunrise Wholesale has a A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau, working on the wholesale side of dropshipping since 1999. It has a huge variety of products from electronics as tools to home decor and toys. Bray Belly, selling established brands alongside their own value products, is another dropshipping supplier in the US that offers a wide array of items. The company's inventory includes games, toys, beauty products, parts, supplies, sporting goods, kitchenware, hair extensions, casino supplies, and pet supplies. Once you have done your product research, you will more than likely find what you are looking for from here. Number third is National Dropshippers. Another Better Business Bureau A+ rated US dropshipping supplier. National Dropshipper sellers appear. ASA Partner. ASA Partner sells its hardware and software products wholesale with over 500 employees across its 13 warehouse locations in the US and Canada. Number 5. Teledynamics. Teledynamics is happy to dropship its business and consumer electronics around the world. Its catalog features over 8,000 products, many of which are made by big brands like Panasonic and Motorola. Park Flyers. Park Flyers, especially in radio-controlled toys and gadgets, sells toys, helicopter, trucks, cars, drones, and boats. Buy2B. Buy2B has an extensive catalog of clothing for men, women, and children. Wholesale Fashion Scare. Wholesale Fashion Scare sells seasonal women clothing as well as active wear, accessories, and plus size products. Footwear US. Footwear US has been a privately owned manufacturer and wholesaler for over 40 years. Fashion Stories. Fashion Stories designs and manufactures gold and silver plated jewelry for men. Alpha Imports. With an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau, Alpha Imports in New York is a US dropshipping supplier that specializes in wholesale jewelry and gemstones. Fragrance Net. Fragrance Net has fulfilled more than 30 million orders for its beauty products. Beauty Joints. Los Angeles-based Beauty Joints provides cosmetics, hair care, skin care, and accessories for dropshippers. 14. I&I Sports sells products related to material arts, airsoft, fishing, and paintball. Whitening Brothers. Around since 1904, Whitening Brothers is one of the oldest US dropshipping suppliers on the list. Headquartered in New Jersey, Red dropships products throughout the USA, providing customers with garden, home, and holiday supplies. Specializing in drop shipping services, Pet Storage US Clinicati warehouse holds over 2,500 pet products. VG Furniture described itself as online retailer friendly. VG Furniture in supplies home and offices furniture, specialized in contemporary Italian design with containers frequently arriving from Europe. Modmade provides wholesale contemporary furniture worldwide and drop shipped to the contiguous United States. Aspire Home Essence. Aspire Home Essence is a wholesale supplier of home decor setup with online seller in mind. It provides itself a being a reliable dropshipping supplier. So guys, these are the most and 20 famous dropshipping suppliers are in USA. So you can get also more information on internet. You can search from here. Hope you will like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So stay blessed. Goodbye.